let's chat about something here. I feel like these days the car landscape is in a weird place. Not gonna lie to you people. I don't know what that guy was doing on the side of the road, but shoot. Well, there goes two officers riding on by. Anyways, what I want to chat a little bit about today is the fact that the car influencer lifestyle these days is really starting to skew reality. Like honestly, there are kids 16 years old driving around GT3s or M5s and all this completely unrealistic stuff. And I mean, if I was young, I guess I am young, but 16 years old, getting into the car scene right now, I would be so discouraged. And the whole reason I'm making this video is to say, don't worry about it. Enjoy where you're at while you're there. For example, back in high school, my buddy actually used to have a 90s Toyota Sienna that we put plastic dip racing stripes on and would straight pipe it and go to car meets 7 homies deep. And I'll tell you what, it could have been cool to be in an M4 as well doing that, but honestly, I'd rather just have those moments with friends. So even if you're not there in the coolest car, just go out and enjoy it. Don't let the perceived idea of where you should be hold you back from the moment and enjoying that. And be sure just to enjoy the ride, the experience of working for something that you want, working for your dream car. Don't look at social media for a guide as to where you should be, what your car should look like, what you should do. When reality is, find your path, establish your dream, and just work towards it and be sure to enjoy the ride. I'm just trying to emphasize enjoying the moment. As the time goes on and you experience more, you kind of start to realize that it's the moment you share with cars that's more cool than the car itself anyways. So go out there and just love what you got. And the key is that no expensive car will make you love cars more. You know, like I have this S2000 now and I'm stoked. It's been my dream car for a while now, but I was still having just as much fun when I used to have my Miata or my Subarus. Like they were all so much fun, and I appreciate every single one at that time in their life. So don't idolize certain cars just because they're monetary and think that they're gonna make driving better. The main reason as to why I'm making this video is because when I was growing up in the car culture, I never had to see these big competing things. Like the coolest kids at my high school had coilovers that weren't shot, you know? I had an old GTI back in the day, and I had secondhand Raceland coilovers that I paid $150 for, and they're blown out, and that was like the coolest thing around. I just wanted to go ahead and talk about a topic like this because, well, cars are exciting, and the journey towards your dream car is exciting, but don't lose track of where you're at. It's kind of funny sometimes, like I see in the comments of my new videos, people saying, oh, can't wait for the Lambo to come out and everything like that. And the truth is, I appreciate that. I appreciate the stoke y'all give me. But at the end of the day, if I get there, I get there. But for now, I'm going to enjoy my S2000. I love this car. So be stoked with where you're at, because honestly, the present's the only moment that you got and can guarantee. So next time you drive your car, go out there, stay stoked, stay safe, and just enjoy it.